Right, lately a lot happened into our factory, and one of the absolutely brand spanking new projects that we run these days is this monstrosity. Have a look at it. Yeah, this one. Right. So this is additional length for the same tracks for that. So I think this is going to be 16 meter long, if I correctly remember. This is also on order. This machine, right, as you can see, it is absolutely huge. Yeah? And this is the new, brand spanking new Mastercard 1200. The main rollers are 1200 millimeter diameter. Okay, I'll show them to you in a minute, but for now let's just stick with the machine first. This is the motor that's going to go on it, and it's only having like 37 kilowatt, yeah. Huge machine. The machine in itself is really big, really big. I mean, it is huge, right? Whoa. This is the main tracks, the rollers. Huge bit of kit. Our guys have been working on the machine for the past 2 weeks, 3 weeks now. 3 weeks now. This one, believe it or not, it's only going to take like 3 weeks to go onto the final stage. The final stage being obviously the machine ready to go to work, yeah? Next week we'll have it painted anyway. We'll have the machine painted. It really is huge. I mean, literally, compared to everything that we've been manufacturing in the past, this is really the biggest machine. It really is huge. Anyway, so this is just like an introductory video, so you just have a clue of what's this new thing looking like, and hopefully in the next 2-3 weeks we'll be able to get it done, ready to run, fully operational. And obviously we're going to make a video with the machine. Okay, we hope you enjoy this. Right, so now let's have a look at these are the rollers over there. They really are huge. The rulers, these are 1.20 meters diameter. Look at the size of my hand as compared to these things. So for comparison, right, so you understand. This is a monstrosity. It's the biggest machine we've ever done. Our own concept, obviously, and would you be excusing us for the mess? But people tend to store things on top of these things. Don't know why, but they always do it. It doesn't matter anyway. This with an axle already. One of the rollers. Right, so yeah, this is the brand new concept, the new master cut. $1,200. We'll let you know if interested, if any interest. Again, you have to get in touch with us, because as I keep saying to everybody, there is nothing like standard. Well, the machine in itself, it is a standard, the frame or standard width of the tracks. But then again, everything else can be modified. The height of the tracks, right? The height of the tracks. For now, for now. The length, obviously, of the tracks. Like I said, this one, these two, they're going to come attached to the original machine in here, right? And all together, I'm not sure. I can't remember, because there's quite a few orders and different different machinery type. And I think this one is going to be like 16 or 18 meters, something like that. It's a very particular order from this client. So, but it's a pleasure to introduce the new Master Cut 1200 to you. And like I said before, questions related to this machine, or to any other machine, the Master Cut original machine or the Master Cut 1000, just don't hesitate. Give us a ring, send us an email, WhatsApp, whichever way it's easiest for you, just do it. Don't be shy. We'll always be much obliged to, do our best to answer all the questions, do our best to, to clarify if there's any peculiar questions or particular questions regarding different measurements and different, different other gimmicks that we can do for the machine, Like I said, everything can be done and modified, So we do these machines, there's nothing like, not much of a standards, measurements, this and the other. We can always modify different bits and pieces. So it's all up to you. We can give you an estimate, price-wise. If you do get in touch with us, and we'll take it from there. Obviously, everything else, depending on the scale of modifications. If you want it longer, wider, I don't know, wider. I don't think wider is going to be coming into discussion as yet, because when you're talking about a wider machine, that's going to be a totally different frame, and that's a totally different machine. Right, but talking on this frame, right, 1200. So this machine is going to be able to cut 1200 log diameter. Yeah, okay. Yeah, so the master cut is 94, 95. The master cut 1000, will be able to cut up to 1 meter, and this one, yeah. It will be cutting up to 120. Yeah, 1.20 meter log diameter. Right, I'll show you this. I'll be sitting next to it. So, anyway, scale-wise, right? So I'm here, and this is the machine behind me. Yeah? So I have a good idea of how big the machine is, you know. So there's my shoulders here, the frame is low down here, yeah. So here you are. Okay, so that is no joke. It's a very serious machine, yeah. Very serious machine, and we hope somebody's going to be interested. This guy was interested even before we made it, because we made this machine. We had the project a long time ago, and somebody got the virus in him, should I say? And he said, "Yeah, you know what? I'll give it a go." And we've been talking, you know, a few details, technical details, not just a few, quite a lot. We had the project, obviously. So based on our project, on the blueprints, we came up with different other things, you know, and he came up with different other things, the clients, and we've managed to come up with this machine. So you're more than welcome to come either visiting us and talking directly to us, or talking to me over the phone, WhatsApp, email, as I've always said. And yeah, somebody else was asking us about the wells and all that, some very particular client. And to me, these are very, very, very professional, you know, wells, yeah. So if anybody else has a different opinion, well, it's only just that, it's his opinion, his or her opinion. But I know for a fact that our people are professional, and the weldings are done properly, you know. There is no crooked weldings, they're all straight. You can see for yourself and judge for yourself, you know. I mean, these are done by our guys, which they've been doing this for, some of them for 30 years, some of them for 40 years. So we don't deal with kids in here, okay? Okie dokie. Yeah, good thing I remembered to show you this weldings, because I had a few people in the past saying, well, you know, not necessarily on these machines or the Mastercard models, but on some other models we used to sell in the past, you know, and they were talking about the weldings. I think you can see for yourself that these are really professional weldings. So if you cannot fault these the jobs our people are doing. You can't fault these. Okay, so having said that, as usual, I wish you the best of afternoons or whatever. And any questions, any inquiries, just give us a bell, yeah? Okie dokie. I'll keep my words to you as always, and when the machine is going to be ready, ready to go, I mean, yeah? All painted and with all the gimmicks on, the rollers, everything. We'll make a new video, yeah? We'll post it, and then hopefully in 3 or 4 days after that we'll have a video with the machine actually, with the machine in action, okay? Right, thank you for watching. Bye for now.